God. You look beautiful. Hello. बहुत क्यूट लग रहा है. I was actually planning a proposal for quite some time. I wanted to do something special and I wanted to do it on the anniversary of our first date.
He said we should go out at dinner, so he said he made a reservation.
So we dressed up, we went to the restaurant.
We drive 30 minutes and we get there and the parking lot is completely empty.
Laveena was like, the restaurant is closed.
You know, there's been a mistake, there's no reservation. I was like, oh no, what are we gonna do? And he says, no, let's keep going. And then we walk a few steps further. I see on my right side a photographer, on the left side roses, I see champagne. And then I turn around and Adarsh is on his knee and he has the ring and it was so beautiful. Adarsh is the kind of person who is always ready for any adventure, no matter how big or small.
I want us to, like, maybe, 30, 40 years down the line, when we are just looking back at the whole journey and like laughing at lots of moments that we shared.
And please welcome bride and groom Adarsh and Laveena.
First time I met Adarsh, I realized exactly what drew Laveena to him. His confident yet down-to-earth nature, his ability to strike a conversation with just about anybody. He complements Laveena's personality in many ways. And we're just so excited that he's part of our family now.
Having known Adarsh from the pre-Laveena era, I can say with complete certainty that she brings out the best in him. She brings a great deal of empathy, sophistication and sensibility to their relationship, all of which Adarsh lacks.
Join me in wishing Laveena and Adarsh a life full of love, joy, and exciting adventures. To Laveena and Adarsh.
Laveena is married